to capture some of the lightning.
So overcast. But you guys still,
Oh, I got it. I
Get
got it.
Oh.
Yeah, I got that too.
Give me another one.
That's crazy. That's a lot of. There was some hitting really close.
Yeah.
God, look how freaky it looks.
I was like this out of the truck. That was a good one.
Yeah.
So how long did you shoot your video for?
A while. I shot that video of Cheyenne's signing the thing, their marriage license papers, for like 2 minutes. Come on, give me some more. Where is it?
Oh, that day needs to finish tomorrow.
Yeah. No, I sent Dawn a link.
Huh?
I sent Dawn a link to it, but it's just some signing papers. It wasn't anything spectacular.
No, I know, but oh, you did it on Don's computer or whatever?
Yeah. God, that's so freaky looking. Come on, show me some more. The sky looks really red through my camera.
Well, the thunder is always after the lightning.
Is it?
The lightning crap was down. Right?
Yeah.
No, it's just because it's so overcast.
This is a crazy storm. I haven't seen this kind of storm in a long time.
It'd be nice and even tomorrow.
Huh?
It'd be nice and even tomorrow. We gotta get the kitchen out cleaned up and shit.
I know. I need stuff to do the dishes and stuff.
Oh, I know, but I got nothing.
All right.